Hey, it's Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. I'm Doug. Today we're going to talk about the 6 things that every chicken needs. Let's go. First up, clean water. Clean water is very, very important. If they have dirty water, they're not going to lay a lot of eggs. Clean your water out every day. There's lots of different ways you can have a water dispenser. We use the Rubbermaid pans. We did a video about it right here, and you can check that out, and we'll tell you the reasons in that video why we use these pans. But clean water is number 1. Now, number 2. Number 2 on the list is clean nesting boxes. You guys want to have clean nesting boxes. Every day we check in these boxes and making sure they have a nice layer of straw in there. And as you can see, clean nesting boxes, kind of a dark place, and they will put those eggs in there for you. No problemo. But number 2 is definitely clean nesting boxes. Isn't that right? Number 3 is grit. You need some sort of grit for the chickens. It helps them with their digestion, and we have a gravel driveway, so if you don't, you could get oyster shells from your local farm and feed store, or a lot of people crush up the shells and then feed them back to the chickens. We would suggest not just taking an egg, cracking it, and then throwing it to the chickens, because that could promote them eating their own eggs. So we always crush it up so it's in a different form, and then if you want to give them back to them, it's fine. Number 4, if you want to get the most of those, you've got to have proper ventilation in your coops. So like this coop, we have 2 large windows that we can open up, and that provides plenty of ventilation. In the winter time, we even leave it cracked because, believe it or not, chickens put off a lot of heat, and if your coop is totally closed up, it could cause some health issues, and there would be a lot of moisture inside of there, and then that damp space is not good for anybody. And now for number 5, the feed. Now we did a video about feed and getting the best feed put together for your chickens so they lay the eggs, so you might want to go check out that video. And the 6th thing that every chicken needs is to have a dust bath. It's very, very important for them to be able to flip that dirt up on them and waller in some loose dirt, maybe some sand or some DE, or you know, some hay or straw or something that you've already put down that they can work in and scratch at and just flutter butter around. Hopefully you guys like the 6 things that every chicken needs. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget, today is the last day that you guys can register for the webinar. It's your chance to win an All-American Sun Oven, but if you were thinking about purchasing one, a lot of information in here. Stacy can't live without it. I use it all the time. You can't burn your food, and they're going to go over all the benefits with you guys. And that is tonight. They're giving away a free ebook with tons of information in it, totally free, just for signing up. And then one person at the end of the class is going to be able to walk away with an All-American Sun Oven package. And actually, the Sun Ovens, if you buy them through our link, they're Off Grid with Doug and Stacy Sun Oven packages. So you actually get one of the cookbooks that Stacy put together of some of the recipes that we use in the All-American Sun Oven. And I know you guys are always wanting to get one of Stacy's recipe books. So that way you'd be able to get a recipe book and get an appliance for your house that you probably just can't live without. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Didn't do it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.